Hi, my name is Plaxi Bajinska and my company is Ravens House Assets. I would not be working on the growth of my business if it was not for Mark Simpson and his team. The Boostly community has kept me company on my darkest day. I learnt I was not alone and I drew strength from your stories, converting disasters to positive experiences. With that said, you're a bunch of comedians. I have laughed so hard at some of the stories you've shared, and as for the banter, my God, you really gave me side pains. Now, Mark is a prolific podcaster and YouTuber, and you can't get away from him because he constantly reminds us every day what we should do in our business. Hashtag Book Direct. Every day he makes us accountable to take action. One action to move our business forward. Mark does this without asking for anything in return. Not many companies or people out there care. I, for one, am grateful for him and his team and humbled he still makes time for me personally and for my business. Thank you, Mark Simpson, for being in my corner. This is my feedback, shouting on top of a mountain of how amazing you are. Thank you.